Today, we are going on a full day trip that showcases the very best of Athens. In the morning, we'll be strolling around Athens' top attractions. Then, we're headed to the famous Acropolis. And finally, in the afternoon, a trip to the Temple of Poseidon. The first stop of the day is at the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, where they do a ceremonial changing of the guard.
So the walking part is something that people enjoy, and they get a sense of the vibe of the city, but they also learn a little bit about the history.
This is gorgeous. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. What a great way to explore Athens, and our guide is an expert on history. This is the iconic neighborhood of Plaka here in Athens, and it is a must visit to really experience the essence of the city.
And the tour culminates with a visit to the Acropolis, which is the most important site in all of Greece.
The views up there are fantastic. My favorite part of the tour has to be the Acropolis.
I love this experience because we're so immersed in ancient Greek history. Can you imagine what life was like back then? Oh, wow. This is incredible, and the view from up here is insane. Overlooking the Aegean Sea, you can tell why this is called the Temple of Poseidon. There has been a sanctuary on these grounds since as far back as 800 BC, and the structure behind me dates back to 444 BC. This full-day tour was jam-packed with ancient architecture, incredible views, and the very best of Athens. It is a bucket list trip.